Hi guys, and welcome back. I hope you guys are doing great. Thank you so much for tuning in today. So today's video is a part 2 of my bedroom makeover. If you missed the part 1, I will link it so you can go check that out. We decided to make over our guest bedroom, so we decided to take this project on our own, and I think it turned out to be really beautiful. Anyway guys, I'm going to show you guys a clip of the before if you missed that video. Alright guys, let's go ahead and get started.
I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Chestnut roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering this simple phrase. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you.
So I'm gonna start with the bed. I actually showed the bed in the part 1 of the makeover video. This bed is from Wayfair. This is the queen size bed, and I absolutely love this bed. It comes with the nail head trim, the tufted look. That was what I was going for. This color is actually gray, but it comes off as almost like a bluish grayish color, which is fine because my walls are gray, so this plays off of the wall. It depends on how or where you're looking at it, but it does have a blue undertone, but the color is said to be gray on Wayfair's website. I will link everything for you guys so you can go check it out, because I have a lot of people asking me about this bed in the last part 1 of the video. And then I have my pillows. I have my regular pillows in the back. I have 2 of them back here. And I have this faux fur pillow that I got from QVC. This is part of Farrah's collection. This is the cheapest that I've found any faux fur, like huge pillows like this. And at the time, QVC had like this free shipping deal, so I got 3 of this for this bed. I wanted that cozy look, and I think faux fur definitely gives you that cozy look. And then I have my decorative pillows in front. I already had these 2 before. I got them from, I think, Macy's. I will link everything for you guys. They always have this pillow on sale for like crazy cheap price. I think I paid like $17 for them. They're beaded. It is so gorgeous. It has the perfect amount of bead, gold, and the white. I absolutely love these pillows. This is one of my new pillow find. I just got this on tjmax.com. It was $24.99, and I have this on my couch downstairs, and it just goes really well with the rest of the pillows. And because we're going into the holiday season, this is perfect because we do have guests coming over during Thanksgiving and Christmas, so this would be a perfect setup for the guests, and I think it's just very inviting. So the bed sheet set was sent to me by California Dan and Design, and I absolutely love the sheets because they're so soft. I did wash them, and even after washing it, it doesn't even look like, you know, you washed it. It looks like you just took it out of the box. I always recommend to wash all of your sheets because, you know, when you get it, it did have a little smell, but when I washed it, it was all gone, and I'm so happy with this. I think it looks really well with the rest of the bed. And then I have my cover. This is a gold, champagne gold cover. I got this from TJ Maxx about a couple of months ago, and I think it really blends well with the other gold that I have going on. It's not like a bright gold, but I think it looks really, really good, and it's so plush. I guess it's like a velvety material. It is really, really soft, and I absolutely love the way that it looks with the rest of the set. And then I have my comforter. I love this. So this is from QVC. This is part of Mirhi collection. This came out, I think, during the summertime, and I fell in love with it. I was waiting to get it. I was trying to like figure out if I wanted it, and then I saw it on Keisha J's video, and I was like, yes, I'm getting this. I love it. It just gives that look of luxury, and it goes really well with the gray because my walls are gray. So at the end of the bed here, I have this bench that I got from TJ Maxx. It is faux fur, so it's soft. I love anything fur. But this is so pretty. It is really soft. It doesn't shed. The reason why I really love this too is because it has the gold legs. So the legs are gold, which really goes well with this room because I wanted a gold and white and a mix of silver in this room, and I think it just goes well with the rest of the room. So this is the bench at the end of the bed, and then I have this tray right here that I got from Ross. I just placed it over here. Guys, this candy was full when I put it in there, so my kids have been eating all of my candy. Look at that. So I have this little jar that I have candy in that our guests can have some of that. Of course, the kids ate it all. And then I have my little crystal candle holder that I got from TJ Maxx. And I have a little floral arrangement right there. And this pillow is also from Macy's. They always have those pillows on sale on Macy's. And it is so beautiful, gorgeous. So I have this sitting right here with this thrill that I have on my bench. So if you watched my part 1, you remember that we changed our flooring. We actually previously had a carpet in here and we updated it to this. I went to Home Depot, I picked out the one that I liked, and we installed it. And to kind of accent that, I have this shag, really beautiful and plush rug. It is so beautiful, guys. I love it, and it complements the room so well. It is so pretty. So let's go on to the nightstand area. So I have my nightstand right here. I have one here and I have one over there. So this nightstand I found on Wayfair too. So I got this nightstand from Wayfair. I absolutely love it because it is just so different. It has the gold pull. And I love this Greek key design on it. It is really beautiful. I have this lamp that I got from Ross sitting right on top of the nightstand, and I think they both look really well because it's white and gold. And the same sits on the other side. And for the curtains, these are the curtains that I was using in my formal living room space. So I brought them in here because it's just perfect for the space. I really love the color, and I think it really complements the space really well. These are like the really long curtains, and they fit really well in the space. And coming over here, I have a little sitting chair right here that I used in my dining room. So I just brought it up here. And the pillow came with, this comforter. It was part of the set. So I just have that sitting right here. And over here, oh my gosh, guys, I have my full-length mirror. Guys, you won't believe where I got this from. I got this from Kirkland. I have never actually shopped at Kirkland before, but I saw this online because I was looking for a full-length mirror, and they had like a 40% off. I think it's originally like $100. So I paid little to nothing for this, and they had like an additional sale. All I had to do was order it, and then I went to pick it up in the store. They ship it to the store because they don't want it to break. So I went to the store and I picked it up, and here it is. It is so beautiful, guys. It is gorgeous, gorgeous. I love it. So I have the mirror right here, and then over here I set up my little Christmas tree. It's a very slim Christmas tree, and I have it on a rotating base, so that makes it spin around. And I have my little decorative gift boxes right there. And the color for my tree is golden white. And I think it looks really well. It goes really well with this room. Gives it that festive look as we start to entertain for Thanksgiving and Christmas. Our guests will feel welcomed and it'll be more Christmassy, I guess. So I absolutely love it. Let me know if you guys will put a tree in your bedroom like me. And me and my sister actually did this tree together. She is awesome. You guys will remember that I did a DIY video where she made our garland using Dollar Tree items. So she's very good with Christmas decorating. So she came over and she decorated this tree with me, and I'll show some clips of how we did it. And I think it looks really, really well. You guys will let me know. I want to do more videos with her next year because she's just so amazing when it comes to decorating for Christmas that I feel like she needs to share her talent with us. So this is what I have right here. Then right here I have my credenza, which is where we store like just stuff that we're not using. It's a lot of storage space. I don't think any guests would want to put anything in there, but if they do, this is right there. And on top of my credenza, I have my 2 reindeer decor. So pretty, guys. And we have our TV hung right here so our guests can be entertained while they're here. And right here I have this standing lamp that I got from Walmart. It is so pretty, and I think it goes perfectly with the room. Like, it's gold and white, and it's very modern and glam, but it's not too glam. So when I had the whole idea of this room in my head, I told myself, I said, Moji, look, I know I love mirrors, which, you know, I absolutely love. I have mirrors all over my house, but I didn't want to bring too much of that into the space. I wanted it to feel modern and glam, but yet not too glammy. I don't know if that makes any sense. But so I said, you know what? The only mirror that I want to bring in here would be that standing mirror. And I did it. I'm so proud of myself for only having 1 mirror in the room, guys, because if you know me, you know that I love mirrors, and this is the only mirror that I have in this room. And I think it looks really well put together. So happy with the way this turned out. I know that you guys are used to seeing a lot of DIY videos, but I also have a passion for like styling and designing, and I've really been going into that more lately because, you know, you never know where your gifts and talents can lead you. So I decided to take on this room makeover to kind of enhance and kind of develop my interior design and interior styling gift. And I am so proud of myself. Like, I really want to inspire you guys not only to DIY, because trust me, nobody's house is fully DIY'd, but I did do a lot of DIYs in here. The painting, the flooring, the layout, everything was done by us, and I absolutely love it. And I also want to inspire you to decorate your house, to style your house so that it can feel like a home. So let me know what you guys think. And then we have my beautiful, gorgeous chandelier. It is so pretty, guys. When I was looking for a light fixture, I wanted something that was glam but also very modern, and something that was different from anything that I have in my house, because I have mostly like crystal chandeliers, so this is something that's a little different. This light is from Kishler Lighting. They sent this to me and I absolutely love it. It was really nice working with them to pick out a light fixture that would go well in the space, and this goes really, really well with the space. It's glam, modern, and more contemporary. So I love the crystal, but then it's not overly like done, and I think it just goes really well with this room. So on this side, I have this wall art that I got from TJ Maxx. I have the same wall art in my family room. I had gotten 2 because I thought I was going to use 2 for my family room, and I ended up using only 1. So I put the second one in here, and I think it just blends really well. It looks good. What do you guys think? Yeah, so that is basically it for this room tour makeover. If you didn't watch the part 1 Please go check it out. Please leave me your comment. Let me know what you guys think. I hope you enjoyed this video because I really enjoyed sharing it with you guys. I hope this inspired you. If you're looking to do your bedroom makeover, if you have any questions, let me know. Leave it down in the comment section. I'll leave all of the links for you guys to go check out all of those items that I used if you are interested in getting them. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching today's video, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Take care and God bless. And so what do you guys think about this room makeover?
Well, I like how the bed is comfortable and like painted the walls. You made the carpet into tiles, and like we have a TV in here now. We have a Christmas tree in here now. We have a chandelier.
What are you guys doing in my bed? What are you guys doing in here?
I was never here.
Naomi, what do you think about this transformation?
What I like about the room, I like the walls, and the new chandelier looks really pretty.
Oh, thank you.
And the TV and all the decorations.
Oh, thanks,
And
guys.
since it's really close to Christmas, we have a Christmas tree too.
Thank you. All right, it's time for you guys to leave this room. Say bye to everyone.
Bye.